you...
We're leaving this place!
Why?
Stop parking!
Baby, you said we'll be leaving first thing tomorrow morning. What is happening?
Meet me downstairs. We're leaving! What's the meaning of this? How can a number be switched off? What's the meaning of this? Where is she?
Calm down. You know today is your big day. You don't need this stress.
What do you mean?
Maybe their car broke down on the road.
How can a car break down on the way? How can that car break down on the way? Huh? Even if her phone is off, is she not supposed to call me with someone else's phone?
How can her phone...
Hey, how can her phone... I mean, we stepped together, she charged her phone. How can the phone even be off?
It's off.
Look at the way everyone is looking at me.
Or should I go to the hotel and see what's keeping them?
There is a big problem.
What?
As we are coming to the church, some girls on black blocked us and took Madam away.
What?
What? Girls on what? Black! Where? Where?
Did you find her? Eh? Did you find her?
Tina kidnapped my wife. I've called all the police heads that I know. None of them has got the courage to go pick her up. Everyone seems scared. Now getting home, I discovered that my house is concealed by the government.
What? How? How is this possible? Did you buy the property from them?
Yes! But I paid in full.
So?
Can you imagine that the reason they are buying off my house is to install high tension here? How on earth is high tension supposed to be here? This is my house! But can you fight the government?
Brother, please. What did you do to Tina that she has refused to forget?
I guess making her my ex was the crime that I committed. How could I have married Tina? I mean, how could Tina in her wildest dreams feel that I would marry her?
I don't think that's enough reason for all this. Okay, can I have her number, please? Can you give me her number? I mean, I need her number. Yes!
And what would you want to tell her?
I know what to tell her. Give me her number, please. Please. Hello? Hello, Tina. This is Kele, Ejike's younger sister. Please, I want to see you. I need us to talk. How can I see you, please? All right. Thank you. Why is everything happening at the same time?
What did I do to you, Tina? What did I do to you, Tina? Give me back my wife! What did I do to you? Can I have my wife? Can I have my wife?
Do not let him come closer.
What did I do to you? Why are you this mean to me? What did I do to you?
Guys, this is the house in question. I bought it today from the state government. Someone couldn't pay his tax for 10 years, yet he claims to be a big boy.
And what did you say we will use it for?
Just a game house for the kids, basically. You can go in and check it out.
Tina, I was the one that called you on the phone. Please, I need us to talk. I beg you. I need to talk to you, please.
And you are?
I'm Ejike's younger sister, Kelechi.
Meet me at Sunshine by 10 p.m. tomorrow. Let's go.
What do we do now? Nana, please, what do we do? Please, whatever my brother did to you, I need you to forgive and forget. He has not known peace ever since he returned. You even followed him to the village to humiliate him and still came to obstruct his marriage. Please, forgive him. What is it he did that you cannot forget?
I can never forgive your brother for what he did to me. As a matter of fact, if you were in my shoes, you would have shot him long before now.
Okay, Tina, please. For the sake of our family and for the sake of his wife, I beg you to forgive him, please.
There's nothing to plead for. I said I cannot. Read my lips. I cannot forgive your brother for what he did to my brother and I.
Please, tell me. What did he do? What did he do to you that you cannot forgive? I need to know, please. Please.
Okay. When life was turning us around, your brother surfaced. He came to me as a savior. I thought I had found someone that would change my life. But no, he rather came and took the better part of us. My beloved brother followed the wrong lane and died from there. And I lost my womb. Your brother made me completely useless.
Look, we are not here for exchange of looks or keeping of quiet. Tell us when you bury our sister.
We are not here to hear that. After all, he was healthy when our sister died. So he could have raised some money by now for her funeral. So,
well, I've heard what you said, okay? We are yet to fix the date for the burial. When we fix the date, I will let you people know.
It is 11 months. 11 months our sister died. And you keep on telling us a particular thing. But when the time comes, you will let us know. This is not why we came.
Oh.
Look, we want our sister to be buried soon.
Bam.
Let's go.
I've heard you. We will do that. We'll get back to you, please. My father is still alive. My father is still alive. I will discuss with my father. Oh, yeah, again, you will here now. Yeah. I agree to you. Good day, ma. Well, I'm here to collect the list for the mother list for my late mother's burial.
And you came here empty-handed. No cola nut. No palm wine. Obiajulu, you expect me to go in there and bring it for you up, yeah? Or they possible?
My mama Chereno. I will still bring them, okay? Just I need the list. Let me go.
It is not possible. You must give me cola nuts and palm wine. And I know.
Sorry. Where do you go, but madam? I don't have money. Okay, I think this will do for cola. Use this and buy cola. Give me the list, please. Okay? Use this and buy cola.
Obiajulu. What about palm wine?
I don't have money for palm wine, eh? I give you money for cola. I'm trying.
Obiajulu, you are not trying anything. Have you seen why I said your family members are naturally stingy? They are stingy. Here is the list. 7 gallons of wenu. 7 gallons of ngwo. 1 white piece of cloth. 1 goat. Finally, and very important, 1 efi Igbo. Efi Igbo. Efi Igbo.
Mama Chereta. Mama, I'm talking about Umada's list, not the general list. I don't get this. This is too much now. Eh?
That is what I gave to you now.
Umada.
Yes. Please, when is the burial?
Well, we have not fixed it. When we fix it, I will let you know.
You see what I said? You and your father are shameless. Shameless, Obiajulu, shameless.
So funny, she don't feel up. What kind of life is this? If not death to be the ultimate, kill me, make I die, Jaja. Poverty is bad. It's bad. Poverty is dangerous.
How did it go?
Papa, your food is here. How did it go? You're not talking to me.
Chimuwene, this is big. It's too much now. For them?
You can say it. Where will I get money to fix this? Where will I get money to buy all this for them?
This is way too much. Papa.
Obiajulu, you have tried. Go in there and rest.
Obiajulu! 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 My hard-earned money. Obiajulu! Hi! Hi!
Ogine Menike.
Yatina, it's not a matter of Ogine. Mpa, where is Obiajulu?
Why are you shouting like that? Obiajulu is not around.
Eh? I saw Obiajulu walked into this compound a few minutes ago and you're telling me he's not around.
But I just told you, are you seeing him here? I just told you he's not around.
Obiajulu is now hiding.
He is not hiding. I just said he's not here.
Eh? Tina, tell your brother to keep my money for me. Tell Obiajulu to give me my money. Ha. Hey, I don't want to come back here because of this money. Tell Obiajulu to give me my money. Maka, hey!
No problem. No problem. Obiajulu, no problem. Keep hiding.
Aye! Aye! Ah! Aye!
Okay.
Aye! Aye!
Okay. Easy. Just put your leg there. Gently, put your leg. Put your leg gently. Gently. Gently, when you go in a couple of times. Wait.
So funny, don't kill him. What kind of life is this? If not that to be the ultimate, kill me, make I die. Poverty is bad. Poverty is dangerous. Manika kolonyo wadia. Poverty is bad. Poverty is dangerous. Manika kolonyo wadia. Onyagenya logaka. Obiamu binja.
Obiajulu esenwa. Obiajulu esenwa.
Etiko bika.
Eja ikike.
Etiko bika.
Chineke me. Look at this one. Mama na phone now. This one.
Bika. Jesus. What happened?
Money happened.
Money is good. Money is good.
Obiajulu. Look. What happened? Why are you limping?
Well, it's a minor issue. I stepped on a broken bottle, but don't mind me. I'm fine. Tell me, no more. Okay? How come you made money? How crazy? Is this your car?
One of my cars.
One of your cars?
Of course. In fact, the least of them.
Etiko bika.
Obiajulu esenwa.
Etiko bika.
Eja ikike.
Go and make ike. You need to tell me how far. Hey, Etiko bika.
And good to see you. Don't they?
Oh, I'm so happy. Good to see you too.
So where you heading?
I want to go to the church. I want to go for confession.
Aha. We have a lot of confession to make. Come here. Come, let's go.
Hey,
let's go.
Etiko bika. Chineke me. Your car.
One of them. The least of them. Come in.
Wa dikwa na egwu.
Obiajulu esenwa.
Wa dikwa egwu.
Eja ikike.
Hey. Ejike iti bọlịbọ meche kpata ego. Hey. Chineke, ọ bụrụkwanụ banye ije school, ọ bụrụkwanụ banye dị intelligent, ọ bụrụkwanụ banye kpata. Hey, Ejike.
What a mass. I remember those days in class. That stupid math teacher would say, "You are never going to be anything in this life. You don't know calculation. You don't know X, Y. How am I supposed to know minus A plus B?" That wasn't my calling. This is my calling. Look at my house. Look at me. The same teacher that we are talking about. Kebana. Where is he? Mbako.
Life. I'm so happy for you, bro. I'm so happy. I thank God for your life. I thank God for
One of those things. That reminds me. Your kid sister, Tina. Beautiful Tina. How's she? Where is she?
Tina is fine.
Tina is fine. I remember those days, Tina. Most beautiful girl. Ginger. Of course, she should be in one of the universities now. So, which one? Tina.
None for now. She could not attend the university because we don't have money to take her to the university. She's learning tailoring.
Beautiful. It's nice what? Taylor. Obiachulu. I have to tell you the truth. We have been friends since we were little. Money. Money is everything. Money is power. Money is happiness. Money is life. Money is everything.
I know.
You don't know.
I know. Who doesn't like money? Everyone loves money. Just that it's so difficult to get.
Money isn't meant for the weak, but the strong. If you must make money, you must have to be strong. Now look at you. We're of the same age. Look at me. Look at you. Biajulu. You've got to make money so that you can take your mother off the street. This woman has been selling up for how long? Isn't it time for you to start showing her all the love? Treat her like a mother. Take her off the street.
My mother is dead. Yes. She's dead.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's fine. She's still at the mortuary as we speak. I do not even have money to bury her. I don't have money.
Oh. You need to make money so that you can be responsible.
I know, but things are difficult. My father is sick as we speak. I do not even have any time on me to buy drugs for him or even take him to the hospital. My mother is at the mortuary. I don't have money to bury her.
Just going to...
I'm tired. I'm tired. Tired.
You sit before me, you say you do not know what to do? Just take a good look at you. Your father is sick. You do not have a dime for his drugs. Really? And then your mother. Your mother is still lying lifeless in the mortuary. You still don't have a dime. And then, almighty, beautiful Tina, now learning tailoring. And you, Obiachulu, my friend, a bricklayer. You have got to be a man.
Please. You have to help me. I can join you. If you want me to go anywhere with you, I will go. I just need you to teach me what to do. Tell me how to fish. Let me get that fish. I have the mind. I want to make money. Please. Please.
It is not that easy.
I know.
You don't know.
Money is not easy. It's not easy. Whatever thing it is, I will do it. Are you not the one that did it? I will do it. I will do it.
Excuse me.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you. I will do it. What is it? Whatever thing it is, eh? He did it, he did not die. I will do it and I will not die. Eh? I go elewa one pipe afọ. I go elewa go pipe afọ. I go elewa go pipe afọ. Enough is enough. Let him come.
Go. Go. Make sure you don't come back empty-handed.
Kaka ịba m mmụọ ka m bute ike. Baa m mmụọ. Well done, sir. What do you want me to do with it? Should I go and get something for me? All this for me? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi. Etiko Yanko. Etiko Cash. Etiko Yife. Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Obiajelo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sit.
Thank you. 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 Please. Excuse me. Let me take my father to the hospital, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Papa, we have to take you to the hospital, okay?
No. You have to go and see your mother's people and pay for the items.
I know I will go, but let's do the most important, which is your health. Let's take care of your health first, please.
I will be fine.
How will you be fine when you don't visit the hospital? Eh?
Maybe after your mother's burial, I will be fine.
I think Papa is right with what he just said.
I know he's right. But his health first. Eh? Let's go first.
Oh, but you never can tell about the relationship, the bond that they both have.
Well, just maybe. You never can tell. Just maybe after the burial, then you'll be fine.
After the burial?
Let us do his bidding.
After the burial?
Yes.
But I don't want anything to happen to him. Eh? I can't afford to lose both of them.
And what do you want this time around?
Well, I've come to pay for the Efibo, the cow, and other things.
You want to pay for the cow and other things?
Yes, I want to pay now.
Do you listen to yourself? Obiajoro.
How do you mean?
It will cost you more than 150,000 naira.
I know. 150,000 naira, right? I know, I will pay. I'll pay. I'll pay. I'll pay. I have some money in my pocket to pay.
You see what I said? Obiajolo, you see what I said? I told you, you and your father are poor, confused people.
I had some money. I had money. Someone gave me money. I had money in my pocket. Eh? I had money in my pocket.
Then bring it out. Give it to me now. Look.
Hold on first. Let me...
Oh, better still, you can go ahead and search. Search everywhere. Search your trousers, your knicker, even your boxers, because I know there's no money in there. Obiajuru, there's no money in there.
What kind of life is this? If not death to be the ultimate, kill me, make I die, poverty is bad. It's bad. Poverty is dangerous. Money can color you Poverty is bad. Poverty is bad. Poverty is dangerous. Money can color you I went for money, they have collected all I had.
I stopped here and moved on. Eh? I am sure I stopped here and moved on. What is going on? Eh? Oh my God. I don't want this thing to happen again. All this now. Eh? What is all this? What is all this? Here, look now. Here, look now. Ege ifugokwa. Hey! God. Hey! What is all this now? What is all this? What is all this?
What kind of life is this? If not death to be the ultimate, kill me, make I die, Poverty is bad. It's bad. Poverty is dangerous. Money can color you Poverty is bad. Poverty is bad.
Yeah, dog one ma. It's not nice. It's not nice. Yeah, dog one ma. Yeah, dog one ma. But I got tossed how will I end up like in poverty all the time? What is all this? You wanted to help me now. Nobody. What is all this? Why not chumo? Why not chumo? Why not chumo? Ga ife na ụwa.
Papa, the water is here. Okay. You'll be fine, oh? What is it?
We are cursed. We are cursed. So it's clear that good things cannot come into this house. Why? Why?
What's going on?
But he hasn't said anything yet. Obi, what is wrong with you? I'm asking you a question, but you wouldn't talk. What is it?
I wonder why I came into this family. I wonder why you brought me to this family. I wonder why, God. Why now? Why? What is all this thing now? Eh?
Obi, can you talk to me? Eh? What is it?
Obiajulu.
Ogini.
Why did you bring me to this family? Why did you bring me to the family, God? Why?
Obiajulu. What is it again? What is it?
Obi. Obiajulu. Papa is talking to you and you're not saying anything. Sorry, pick it around. Ndo? But this whole thing is still very confusing to me. How did the money vanish from your pocket?
I didn't know.
Or is it torn?
No, my pocket is not torn.
So, it's very strange to me. Oh. Eh? How could it have happened?
Obiajulu.
Papa.
It's alright. That money was not meant to be useful. So forget about it.
I don't understand. It's not meant to be useful. Eh? So, Papa, I got $1,000 helpful. I got $1,000 helpful on the war. Eh?
Obiajulu. Every day, wait. Except that I will give you everything we ate today. I must collect my money. You must give me my money today.
I have taken out for enough, eh? Family, I don't understand this.
Brother, I understand. But you have to understand that life itself is not that easy.
Obiatu,
yes?
I'm here for my money.
How far?
Good evening, how far? Obiatu, who is your guy? Obiatu, are you tired of hiding? Eh? Are you tired of hiding? I'm here for my money.
Hey, my guy, I was never hiding. Relax, Anu, now. I was discussing something important with my sister and my father. Let's go out so that we can talk.
So you think my money is not important? Obiatu, I am here for my money. Pay me back my money. Why is it very hard for you to clear your debt? Are you the only poor man in this community, Obiatu?
Menike.
Hey, stop now. Why are you insulting me this way? Why are you doing this? God, Anuya. You heard him, right? You heard him, God. Baba, I will see you later, please. Go.
Obiatu, see here. Remove God from this matter, oh. Don't call God's name, oh. Give me my money. Let me leave this place in peace. Simple.
Hey, Menike.
Papa?
How much does he owe you?
How many times will I answer you this question?
And I'm asking you again. How much does he owe?
Papa, and I'm answering you again. Obiajulu, your son, is owing me 3,250 naira. I need my money.
Can we do trade by barter?
Yeah. Papa, what do you even have in this house that can even amount to the money your son is owing me? Or slippers?
What kind of insult is this? Or what? Why will you say a thing like that, Emenike? No. Go and carry a bucket full of insults and pour on us.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Tina, you have bad mouth, but you don't have money to clear your brother's debt. Eh? Okay, I'm now insulting you. No problem. Give me back my insults. I will take it home to my house. Give me back my money too. It's very, very important. Give me my money.
Just respect yourself. When my father is here, don't talk to my father like that.
Okay, can you take one of my goats in the next scene?
Papa, you know that cannot happen, no? Obiajulu is just owing him 3,250 naira. That goat is worth 6,000 naira in the market. You know that. You can't give him our goat.
Papa, please, let's go back to business. That goat, is it a he goat or a she goat?
Can you imagine? If my father decides to give you that goat, you should be grateful. What do you mean? They go, okay, choice. He goat or she goat. And I'm wewu. Nega. Papa, we're not giving him that goat. We better take that goat to the market, sell it, and then give him his 3,250. I don't know.
Obiajulu, go and give him that goat.
But that goat, why will you give him that goat? Eh?
You're going to your father just helped you to clear your debt, and you are still here making mouth. Yeah. Go there and get me my goat.
If it's not because of my father, you know what I will do to you? My sister and I, we will scale you alive.
See, it's not by muscle. It's not by muscle and by height too. Give me my money. Go and give me my money. Go and get my money for me.
Go and give him the goat.
Papa.
Obiajulu, go and give him.
Papa, I hope that goat is healthy.
Bia, my father. You have said enough, you have done enough. Don't ask my father any stupid question. They've gone to get the goat for you. Can't you just keep your mouth shut?
Obiajulu.
They're going to watch you at 3,250. This goat that we can sell 5,500 in the market. Or even 6,000 naira. It's not better we sell this goat and give him his money.
Now, Emenike, that settles it, isn't it?
Papa, thank you very much. I will manage you. This is just manage.
Oh yeah, go.
Emenike, Obiajulu. No problem. Next time. Really? Come and borrow money from me. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me.
I'm giving you.
I don't want to change my mind. I don't want to change my mind.
You want me to take the goat from you?
Take which goat?
I don't like this one. Papa, I don't like this. So I don't like this at all. Why will you give him the only good that we have in this house? Why?
Obiajulu, this is why you must make money.
So funny, she don't kill him. Hey, yeah, Jim. What kind of life is this? If not death to be the ultimate, kill me, make I die.
Obiajulu, what is wrong with you? Please stop crying. Listen, let me tell you something. Everything will be over very soon. Please.
Very soon? Did you say very soon? Is it when we all might have died of hunger?
No. Brother, don't say that. If you don't know, I will tell you again. I am so proud of you. I am. You are extremely hardworking. You are kind. You take care of your family. You love and show so much concern about us. So don't say this. God is watching and I believe that everything will be fine. I don't like to see you like this, please.
Can't you see that those are not enough? Can't you see my effort seems to be like a rolling stone that has no gathering?
No, it is not like that. I strongly believe that everything will be fine very soon. Trust me. Stop crying. Yes, I think you should go see a GK. He might give you another money. You never can tell.
Thank you. Let me try again.
Hi, God. God, please. Bless my brother. Shower him with so much blessings. Please. The suffering is too much.
Sorry to disturb you. The money you gave to me, I don't know how it vanished. I couldn't find it again. I don't even know what happened. I searched for it everywhere. I couldn't see it.
It's a pity. I'm off to my site.
I know, Etiko, please, Etiko, please. Can you help me with another money? I want to go and pay some bills in preparation for my mother's burial. Please. And my father is sick. I would want to take him to the hospital. Can you help me again? Please. Help me again. This time I'll be careful. Biko.
I'm off to my site. You can come work there if you want.
Hey, Etiko, I know I can work there. But I'm not talking about working there now. Etiko, I'm in a fix. I need you to help me. Let me bury my mother now. Let me bury my mother. Let me take my father to the hospital. You're my friend. Help me now. This is not nice. Help me. Frustration is eating me up. Help me, please.
Fane me adro easy.
Mani ime wulia. Chike. Ime wulia. Ime woya mo age ime wuya. Because ime woya, show me the way. Oh, that's what I'm asking. Show me the way. Tell me what you did. Let me go and make money. Show me the way. Let me make money. Ngano zina nleka forever. Frustration Jumaru, you're seeing me. You're my friend. Take me. Show me. Let me go and make money the way you did. Please.
Come with me to the site.
Are you going to give me the money there? Huh? Because let me rush and take my father to the hospital. Then I will settle the mother. Let's start gradual. The process is gradually till I bury my brother. Okay, I'll go with you. I'll go with you.
But he should have taken you to the city now. What kind of help is that? Does he think that will help your life?
I'm grateful to God that he remembered me. I'm watching. Maybe he will take me to the city. Who knows?
That is my prayer. He needs to take you to the city. I have the strong feelings that you're going to make it there. My instinct never lies.
I'm not really happy. I'm not really happy at all. I don't understand life. Sometimes I wish I could get money from anywhere to give Mama a befitting burial.
No, my brother. Don't talk like that. God is alive and he sees everything. I believe that you will make money this year. Nothing will stop that.
Amen.
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 Please.
I want to go to the site.
Take it easy. Don't think too much. I've lost Mama. I don't want to lose you. Be cool.
That's fine. I love you, my sister.
I love you too, bro.
Alright, let me go. I'll be back soon.
Alright.
She go from Mubafuma. Take me as right?
Hey, Marie, Nkemeu.
What kind of life is this? If not death to be the ultimate, kill me, make I die, Jaja. Poverty is bad. It's bad. Poverty is dangerous. Money can color you again. Poverty is bad. Poverty is bad. Poverty is dangerous. Money can color you
again. Where you there? I bet you can't carry this block. I don't understand.
Brother. dying. Papa is dying. You have to come with me now, please.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, no.
Let's go. Are you okay? Papa?
Obiaju, is that you?
Yes, Papa.
Okay.
Sorry, Papa. Let me take you to the hospital, okay?
Don't worry. I need some water to drink.
Water? Okay, I'll get him water.
Papa, let me take you to the hospital, okay? Papa, please come up. Papa, don't do this now. Papa, don't do this. Come on, please. Let me take you to the hospital. Hold on, so sorry. Papa, please.
I toiled day and night as a young man. All I could get was just money for food, which never came at the right time. Do you know why?
No.
It is because I was waiting for the right time. And the truth remains that money doesn't come to those who are patient. It's a shame that I couldn't raise the money to bury your mother.
Papa, it's okay. It's okay. I heard what you said. The truth is this. I am saving money for our mother's burial. And I must give her a befitting burial. Don't worry yourself.
Obiajinu,
Papa.
No matter what, never be as poor as I am. If it is a curse, break it. If it is a spell, reject it. And if it is Ochu, it is not your portion. Let the gods punish me if I am misleading you.